Hello, I'm Private John. I do the smokeless powder guns on this channel, and my buddy Dimwit, he does the black powder guns. This is a Krag video today in a whole series of those. And this rifle, I had a lot of fun putting this together. It all started out as kind of a joke. I wanted to make a black rifle, something tactical and cool, tacticool. So this is my Black Ops badass Krag. It's probably as close as I get to an assault rifle. But this is all fun and games, but it's actually a good little gun. It's fairly lightweight and handy. I have a searchlight with a laser on it on the end here, and I can take that off, and there's a piece of picatinny rail on there. I can put a bipod on there if I wanted to. So it will work as a kind of a medium range sniper rifle. This is started out as a Norwegian model 1894 infantry rifle made at the Kongsberg weapons factory in 1913, and it's been made into a competition rifle since then, and I messed with it some more. Somebody did a nice job of making this semi-pistol grip on here. I didn't do that, but I did the rest, put the scope on it. And I also put a Kongsberg match trigger assembly in it. And I made the base for the scope, and that base, this is another one that I made. Quite a lot of work to make one of these. And I used a Weaver detachable side mount. And these came in a various form of shapes and sizes, and so the one I got here is the long low mount one. And I got a Swedish quick shooter sling on it, so to carry it on my chest like they do with modern military guns. And I put a scope on there, and that's just an inexpensive scope from eBay, Vector Optics. And I have more faith in Vector Optics scopes than I have in other Chinese made scopes. They seem to have made a name for themselves, and it works pretty well on the, not all scopes fit on a Krag, but this works out pretty good. And so that's what it's called. It's called the Matiz, and it's a 4-12 by 40, and it's got an adjustable objective here, so that's your parallax adjustment. And it's still got the infantry rifle barrel, but it's been shortened to 50 inches. Yeah, no, 50 centimeters, and that's 19 5/8 of an inch. So so there it is. Cool little gun. I don't know how far out there this would reach, but until I run out of clicks, I suppose. But it's got a kind of a mil dot reticle with those hash marks instead as a ranging reticle, so I can use that if I run out of clicks. Takes a little practice, but it's doable. It's offset a little more than 3/4 of an inch, 20 millimeters to the left, and that's because of the how the Krag ejects the empty casings. They flip up, so if you have a scope right above it, it's going to hit the scope and it's going to fall right back down in there again. I have a separate video dedicated to mounting scopes on the Krag if you want to have a look at that, and I have a lot more Krag videos and of course other guns. So I don't know if there's anything else I should say about this, but I wasn't joking when I said Private John. This is my service book, and I was in there for as long as they wanted me to. Let's see. I was in there for about a week, and I remember he gave me a sealed envelope and told me to give this to my doctor and come back in 6 months. And so I did, and well, I stayed there for another week, and it's got that stamp there. It says udyktig. That means unfit. So, and I distinctly remember that my sergeant wrote me a few parting words when I left, and that's a hurtful thing to say. Well, see you later.